Hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and I am so excited to tell you that the Trailer Park Cooking Show has been nominated Best Comedy Series, Best Instructional Web Series, and Best Home Chef in a Series in the 10th Annual Taste Awards. Yes, that's right. I couldn't have done it without y'all's help, and that means sharing my videos, telling people about the Trailer Park Cooking Show, and looking at my websites, and looking at my silly cat pictures and what I eat, and you know, all that good stuff here in the Trailer Park. I'm so excited. I'll be attending the award ceremony in Beverly Hills, California in just a few weeks. It's actually happening here, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. Thank you for the Taste Awards for just nominating me, and I can't wait to see everybody there, and I'll be certainly sharing stories on all my social media, Instagram, Facebook, my website, jolenstrailerpark.com. I'm so excited. Thank you again, and I'll see y'all back soon with some more Trailer Park cooking shows. I'll see ya. Love ya. Bye-bye.